One at C66, your underpaid, undertrained, and underinsured mechanic. And today we are going to be replacing the front wiper blades on a 2005 Mazda Tribute. Not a hard job, we'll get it taken care of. And we've got lovely Mr. Chance working as cameraman right now.
Hello.
All right, pretty easy. His wiper blades aren't in great shape, but on the passenger side, it's gonna be a 20-inch, and this is from O'Reilly's MP20B. It's a little J-hook, just slide that out. When you go to set this down, set it down slowly and gently so it doesn't bust out your window. And you just slide it in. Bloop. And it comes with additional hardware if you have some odd end stuff on your car, but this is just a simple J-hook. This is all we need. Now we're gonna move on to the passenger. All right, we're going to the passenger side like these other ones. These are from O'Reilly. This is MP18B, part of their Master Pro. Affordable quality wiper blades. Same J-hook as the other one. Set it down gently. Get your new one. Get it right here in the hook. That's it. You got new wiper blades. So we went from this to all new, functioning perfectly in the very quickly approaching Mississippi thunderstorms. So this has been Z66. I hope you enjoyed. You have a good one. Goodbye.